Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today on the side of a very busy road, we have a 2019 Porsche Cayenne. This is the base, but it's not at all a base. Got heated rear seats, Bose sound. Whew. Pano roof. Oh man, that's gorgeous. Porsche key. I'm running a bit late, so I'm gonna do a little bit of a different route. Three-liter turbocharged 6-cylinder. It's actually a good amount of power. I believe it's right around 350. I think that's Sport Plus suspension. You do have, obviously, self-parking, e-power if it was so equipped. When I say Porsches are one of the best driving cars in their segments, it's completely accurate. This, well, not full size, but full scale SUV drives so well. I've been in a good amount of Cayennes, the e-hybrids, the GTS. I am a fan of them. I almost bought a Macan. Actually, I still might, but Porsche just knows how to make great driving cars. The GT3 RS still to this day remains one of my favorite cars I've ever driven. And there's no way, no reason why a full-size SUV needs to drive like this. car. There's no reason to be this good. This car came in while I was on vacation, and I got so nervous I wouldn't get the chance to drive it. I'm so glad I did. Even though I've driven them before, I'll never say no. Somebody says, hey, you want to drive a Porsche tonight? I'm never going to say no, no matter what. That being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.